story echoes in my mind. Missing you like shadows creep in the dark way by. Days feel heavy, hearts await in this silent fight. Memories replay, but they fade like stars from night. I call your name, but it feels so far away. Tears fall like rain in the quiet of the light. Your absence is a shadow, eclipsing all the light. Memories like ghosts are haunting every sound. Wish you were here to turn our world back around. Every glance reminds me of the love we used to show. Now I'm wandering through the echoes, chasing what I know. Conversations linger softly in the emptiness we made. Yearning for your laughter, but the silence won't cascade. Lonely nights hold whispers, secrets lost in dreams. Tears fall like rain in the quiet of the night. Your absence is a shadow, eclipsing all the light. Memories like ghosts are haunting every sound. Wish you were here to turn my world back around. I'll keep your love alive in memories we build. Through every drop that falls, I'll carry all that guilt. Every teardrop tells a story that goes in my mind. Missing you like shadows creep in the dark they bind. Days feel heavy, hearts are waiting their time and fight. Memories replay, but my fate lost stars for night. I call your name, but it feels so far away. Tears fall like rain in the quiet of the night. Your house is in the shadow, I could sing all the light. Memories like ghosts are haunting every sound. Wish you were here to turn my world back around. Every glance reminds me of the love we used to show. Now I'm wandering through the echoes, chasing what I know. Conversations linger softly in the emptiness we made. Yearning for your laughter, but the silence won't cascade. Lonely nights hold whispers, secrets lost in dreams.